We explore the heap sort. Let's begin. First, get the size of the array. Then, for int I equals n divided by 2 minus 1, I is greater than or equals to 0, I minus. Start from the last non-leaf node and move upwards to build max heap. Non-leaf nodes are in size n divided by 2 minus 1 to 0. Heapify array ensures that the subtree rooted at index I satisfies the max heap property. And then for step 2, extract elements from the heap. For int I equals n minus 1, I is greater than 0, I minus. Iteratively extract the largest element from the heap. Then the int temp array save the root for the largest element temp. Array 0 index equals array I, move the last element of the heap to the root. Array I equals temp, place the largest element at the end of the array. So restore the heap property for the reduced heap. Heapify array rebuild the heap with the reduced size I to ensure the max heap property. So sa function, heapify function, int largest equals to I, assume the root I is the largest. Int left equals 2 times I plus 1, calculate the left child's index. Int right equals 2 times I plus 2, calculate the right child index. If the left child is larger than the root, check if the left child exists and is larger than the root. Update largest the left child index. Then if the right child is larger than the current largest, check if the right child exists and it's larger than the current largest. Update largest to the right child's index. If the largest is not the root, if largest not equals to I, if the largest element is not the root, swap it with the root. Int temp array I equals to array largest temp. Perform the swap to maintain the max heap property. Heapify array recursively call heapify on the affected subtree to restore the heap property. And then the printing function. Loop through the array elements and print each one. System.outprint prints a new line after the array elements. And the main method. Int array initializes an array to be sorted. Prints the original array. Heap sort array sorts the array using heap sort. And print array prints the sorted array.